Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a room tour of room 2306, the Marriott Marquis Marina, San Diego, California. The question is, did I see fog or fire? You tell me what you think. Now it turns out that this was not a fire. This was a coastal blanket of fog. And this fog is caused by a temperature inversion where cool, moist air from the Pacific Ocean gets trapped beneath a layer of warmer air above it. Once the fog began to lift, I was left standing on that balcony of that 23rd floor room, looking out over the bay. I could see the sun peeping through, and I could see some of the military apparatus and an aircraft carrier that belonged to the military museums nearby. And folks, the Marriott Marquis Marina San Diego features about 1,360 guest rooms spread across two 25-story towers. The average room rate generally ranged between $300 to $400 per night, depending on the season and the room type. Though there are some standard rates that can start as low as $220 a night. Hey folks, thanks for coming to the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This has been an Off the Cliff video.